Hi, I'm Ankur Dasani. I've been in the furniture industry for over 10 years now. I'm the director at Total Interior Solutions. I'm also a soon-to-be published author where I've compiled my 10 years of experience and put it into a book called The Best Kept Secrets About Furniture Buying. Today I'm going to talk about the top challenges faced by an architect or a client when they face furniture orders. At the end of the video, you'll get a link to a free ebook, which is a checklist to help you save from these challenges. The biggest challenge faced by an architect is that the design or the specs are not followed to the last detail. You see a particular product in an image, but that is not getting translated into the product. The next big problem is the approval of materials before production. A lot of vendors do not go through the details of each and every material being used, and they do not tell you the pros and cons of using a material. Normally, all the furniture vendors say this is what you asked for and this is what we have provided. They do not go into the practicalities of that piece or the challenges of the particular finishes being used in the furniture. The next challenge is shop drawings. Furniture vendors do not have the expertise or the teams to make the right kind of shop drawings in detail. This is the most important element to ensure that you get what you were promised, because in a shop drawing each and every detail is mentioned, to the curvatures, from the curvatures to the sizes. These details ensure you get the right product. The next big challenge, use of substandard or poor quality material. A lot of vendors end up cutting corners for materials which you are not able to make out, because once the product is finished, you don't know what's put inside. The next big challenge faced by any person ordering furniture is that you are not sure of what is the status of production. There is, from the time you order to the time you get your furniture, on an average there is anything from a waiting period of 3 weeks to 12 weeks depending on the furniture. You are not sure of where and what is the status of your production. The next big problem is the problem of size. People are not 100% equipped or are not taking the measurements professionally, which ends up with a wrong sizing. You may end up with a furniture piece which is not fitting, it is either too big, too small for the particular space. Well, that's because a particular process has not been followed, the taping on the floor has not been done. The next challenge is non-professional installation team. Well, you may have a fully finished interiors and the team coming to install furniture on the site may end up damaging your existing interiors. Well, that's a big pain when you have a fully finished space and somebody comes and damages it. The next big challenge is there is no after-sales support existing in the furniture industry. You may end up a problem after the installation or after the handover of furniture, but practically you do not have people who give you after-sales support. If you want to save yourself from these challenges, continue watching our next video. And as promised, the free ebook link is given in the description below. I would love to hear from you. If any of you faced any of the challenges above, do drop in a comment below. And if you found this video useful, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. If you have any immediate help required, do call our team on the numbers provided on the screen.